suppose you are a newbie to the world of trading, the biggest problem that you are going to face is surfing through different places to gather all the information about the market. So a simple 5 minutes job becomes a 9 to 5 job. For that, we are presenting to you 10xSwap. That is a intelligence hub that helps you go through all those hassles in a single integrated platform. Now, let's go to the working. Initially, the user has to log into our account of 10xSwap and connect his or her MetaMask wallet. As you can see, the MetaMask wallet has been connected. In this part, we can see that it shows all the real-time values of the coins that are present in a crypto trading. For example, Bitcoin, there is Avax, and all the other available coins. It shows us the analytical growth or downfall of a particular amount of coin, and it also shows us about the supply info over a wide range of years, basically collecting all the real-time data. Now, let's go to the magical part of it, the agentic AI part. What is it? Now, we are not giving everything to AI, but what we are doing is we are using AI's power. So what we have to do, we have to go to create autopilot rule, and then we can see there is a lot of strategies. Okay, there are 3 types of strategies. Each of the strategies need to be selected by the user depending upon what he or she wants. Maybe invest particular amount of coins on a schedule, maybe rebalance to maintain a target, or maybe to shift into the top end trending tokens. Now the user has to select a coin, and the best part of it is we have triggers. Now what is a trigger? Suppose there is suddenly a market crash that may not be foreseen by a user. This trigger basically helps the user to avoid this type of hassle. The user gives a particular amount of percentage till which the user is okay to lose that much amount of money, and will give an alert, and as a result of which he or she will get a benefit from it. Now, how much he wants to spend is also upon the user. He can give the max spend USD, the max slippage, and the cooldown. So what's a cooldown? How many times the epoch will run? After how much amount of time the epoch will run? Again, to check whether the rule he or she has created is working or not. Now, we have saved the rules. As you can see, there is the rule that we just created right now. That is, the status you can see is active. Now we can pause the rule, we can execute the rule, we can delete the rule, and as I said, the cooldown time is also important. We can see the last run time and the next check time. We are given a cooldown of 1 minute, so the difference between both of the epoch is also 1 minute. Now, the best part, that this app is a very beginner friendly app. Someone who is new doesn't know a lot about it, it's gonna help him. But seeing all this might be a lot of overwhelming experience for a new user. For that, we have created a simple chatbot for the user. What's that? You give basic questionnaires to the chatbot. As you can see, we have given a set of questions that can be asked by the user. For example, if the user wants to swap between 1 or 2 tokens, maybe it will give you the cost of one particular of that token. It can give you the address of your token, of your wallet, and it can even give the gas price. Now, how are the coins stored? The coins are stored in smart account as it uses 0x gas fees.
Gasless.
Basically, it's a 0x gasless agent key. So now basic of everyone who is using this app can get a hold on what they are planning to do and what they can do.
Local development is slow.
The issue that we can see here is that as it is running in a local environment, the processing speed is a bit slow, but
It's just working correctly.
but there is no issues with it. It is working correctly, as you can see, and we have asked for this address. It gives us a proper smart account address here. So because it's on a local environment, the problem is just with the speed. Anything apart, everything is fine. And obviously, yes, there is always a network issue. And that's all. Thank you for listening to us and giving us a chance to represent our project. Thanks a lot.